Welcome to the English news section of Diary Times. Crisis on pharmaceutical industries. Raw material prices doubled. Due to shortage of raw materials, production is being affected at Baddi Brotiwala Nalagarh, the largest pharma hub in Himachal Pradesh. Despite the price doubling, the drug makers are not getting the raw material. Due to corona, the workers are constantly on holiday. There are 750 pharmaceutical industries in the state. Government buses on 30% routes due to lockdown. Only 30% of government buses ran from Dharamshala on the first day of the weekend lockdown, while only 25% buses were running on the second day of the lockdown. Markets closed for the second day. Public curfew was successful. The markets remained closed for the second consecutive day on Sunday at the behest of the Himachal Pradesh government amid growing corona cases. The public curfew was successful as the market remained closed due to a lack of necessary work. People did not come out of the houses themselves. Most of the roads were deserted, and while in some places only a few people were seen due to the necessary work. 30 people died due to corona in Himachal. 1,132 infected across the state. 2 people got injured due to the restrictions of COVID 19. Due to COVID rules, some people were beaten up when they stopped to offer namaz together. 2 people have been injured in the fighting. The incident is of a mosque of Devinagar under Ponta Sahib. The complaint has been registered. 500 posts of art teachers to be filled. Instructions to explore possibilities. Preparations have been started to fill 500 posts of art teachers in Himachal Pradesh Government School. The Chief Minister's office has written a letter to the Finance Department instructed to explore the possibilities for filling 500 posts. For a long time, the post of art teachers in government schools have been laying vacant. 3 tourists were rescued by the police who wandered in the forest of Manali. 3 tourists from Delhi, Uttar Pradesh and Maharashtra have been rescued by the police in the forest of Manali, a tourist town. These 3 tourists were lost after wandering in the wildlife sanctuary area in the forest. When these 3 were not found, the Himalayan Educator Camp informed the Manali police on Saturday night at 1 pm. After this, the police came into action and immediately sent a rescue team to spot. Night curfew from 27 in 4 districts. Without negative report, entries will be banned in Himachal. Keeping in mind the fast-growing corona cases in Himachal Pradesh, the state government has decided to impose night curfew in 4 districts of the state. Night curfew will be imposed in Kangra, Una, Solan and Sirmaur district from 10 pm to 5 am from 27th April. This arrangement will continue till May 10. 2 panchayats of Kangra district of Himachal got National Award. National Panchayati Raj Day 2021 on Saturday, representatives of 8 Panchayati Raj institutions have been awarded various national awards. These include 1 Jila Parishad President, 2 Panchayat Samiti Presidents and 5 Gram Panchayat Heads. Iceberg falls in Lahore. The weather will deteriorate again from April 28 in the state. The weather will deteriorate again from April 28 in the medium and high altitude areas of Himachal Pradesh. There is forecast of rain and snowfall in the medium and high altitude areas of the state. On the other hand, the iceberg has fallen near the quarrying of Lahore. One of the ghats has been destroyed due to the grip of the iceberg, while the other has been damaged. Vikramaditya Singh gets trolled over the favoring of government in helicopter dispute. The son of former Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh and Congress MLA Vikramaditya Singh of Shimla Rural are being trolled a lot on taking the side of the government in the helicopter dispute. On Facebook, people have trolled him so much. Vikramaditya had commented on Facebook that there has been a dispute over the Chief Minister's helicopter for a long time. Vikramaditya Singh described this 18-seater aircraft as being in the state interest. When prevented from overloading, people landed on assault. The conductor saved his life by running away. In order to prevent corona infection, the government has made it difficult for HRTC personnel to comply with the order of 50% occupancy in buses in rural areas. In Nerva, under the Chopal subdivision of Shimla district, Thus, HRTC conductor asked the passenger to sit on 50% of the seats. Then, people got into a rage and started threatening to kill him. The conductor saved his life by running from the spot. Now, public hearing on new electricity rates will be online. Public hearing to fix electricity rates in Himachal Pradesh will now be online. The State Electricity Regulatory Commission has decided not to hold a public hearing in the Commission's office on the rise in cases of corona infection in the state. Now, suggestions and objections will be discussed online at 11:30 am on April 28 in place of Commission office. The link for the online meeting has been uploaded on the website of the Commission. Self-help group will get 25,000 in Himachal. Self-help group formed in the year 2018 and 19 of Himachal Pradesh will get 25,000 rupees from the state project fund to earn and increase livelihood. With this budget, self-help groups can set up a unit or develop other means of livelihood. Earlier, the government gave rupees 2500 as a startup fund to the self-help groups and rupees 15,000 as revolving fund. Most of the parents and teachers are agreed to promote students of class 10th. Most of the parents and teachers teaching their children in government schools are not entitled to conduct exams of the students of class 10th. Of the nearly 2500 suggestions reached in the Directorate of Higher Education on Friday evening, 70% advocated to promote students in a class submitted on the basis of marks in pre-board examination and first term and second term examination. To get the English news in more details, please visit our website Diary Times. Till then, have a good day from Diary Times.